End of this video, you can learn how to insert screenshot in Microsoft Word. If you want to insert a screenshot or take a screenshot from Microsoft Word, simply go to Insert tab. This is an illustration word corner. Here you can see the screenshot option. Simply just click on it. Then screen capping. You can see the cursor will change. Now select the area where you want to take a screenshot. You can see your screenshot was input in your Microsoft Word. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new updates.